Bayu, sebentar, ini video, sebentar. Sebentar, saya ke sana. The plants are already planted. We planted in the beginning, but there was not much rain, so some leaves start to get burned by the sun. That's why I put this cover. No, and now they are growing very well. You see now there are already new leaves come out. This is one. I'll show you the other one. So let's say now they are growing well. In the beginning, was a little bit. I was a little bit concerned because when we moved, I think that the sun was too hot and someone get affected. But you see, some leaves get burned. That's why I make the roof. But now, look like the new one are coming. So I'm quite positive about. Yeah, also this one. See, this is what happened in the beginning. You see some leaves start to get burned. But now it's okay because you see, this is a new leaf, and here there is a new one coming out. So I think that in the end, they like the situation. They are reacting quite well with this protection. And then in a while, I think when the roots are strong enough, I will take it out. I see this is the same. Yeah, in the beginning, you see the leaf. But this is, for example, this is a new leaf in the middle, and this is already another one coming out. Yeah. Well, here there are climbs now. I cannot show you, but the same things. You see, they are going well. I think the last week, many new leaves come out. So let's say that until now, all of them they are still alive. Now see this one. Yeah, there is another one. So you see this was the problem. This one, look. Yeah, something to see. This new leaf. Okay, so everything okay. Here are the creature. Bayu, sebentar, ini video, sebentar. Sebentar, saya ke sana. Leave this tree for the moment. Some shadow. This is another, I don't know how it's growing, but it's not from you. No, this one is already well out. Well, then I show you the rest.